At this point, I am a member of the Hamachi community, and if I know about existing networks, if somebody has invited me to get Hamachi and join them in their network, I could click this button and use information that they told me about the name of the network and any passwords, and move my computer into their network as if I was in their house. However, in the beginning, we might not know anybody like that. I might want to create my own new network. So I'm going to click on this button right here, and I'm going to become the first member of a brand new Hamachi network to which I can invite others later on. I need to give the network a name, and I'm going to name it Gomez 85, just to give it a name that probably no one has ever used. And I'm going to choose a password for it. In this case, I'm going to choose a password 12345. It's a very simple password. I would normally not tell anybody the passwords that I use for my network. And under normal circumstances, if you want to keep a network private, I'd use a long, complex string. But for our purposes in this movie, the password is going to be just 12345. And I've now created a network named Gomez85. And if there were other people in the network, I would see a list of them here as I drop down this list. Since I'm the only one that's a member of Gomez85, I only see this much. Now I need to tell others about the Gomez85 network and have them join it so that we can exchange messages encrypted and even play games across the internet as if they were here in my house.